welcome to the 2026 Interoperability Arena with our 4 exhibitors, KUKA, AUMOVIO, Wiferion, and of course SYNAOS, and 15 additional partners, showing what the true and modern interoperability ecosystem is made of.
So Interoperability Arena, we are working together with SYNAOS and Wiferion to showcase how we can work together and help and support the customer in a mixed fleet environment.
One of the big next steps from customer demand is on one hand getting smaller. So therefore we have the new product, the 250p, the smaller brother of the other vehicles.
We sell uptime for the robots. We sell solutions that robot can charge in their regular process in order to optimize their availability on the shop floor.
We see that a lot of customers are looking for flexibility, so we're very happy that with our partnership with the SYNAOS and the VDA 5050, we're able to serve different use cases. We are, I would say, at the very beginning of the factory design process when you want to introduce AMRs or HEVs, and we have a look on to create the structural prerequisites to be able to introduce then the mobile equipment.
Today, many companies actually come to us with a desire to automate. We actually help them setting up the VMS so it's more scalable to work with. And we are helping them on the automation part, selecting 2 or 3 vendors that fits their operation.
If I want to buy new AMRs or have a new floor plan, I would need to first stop all of the processes in my real factory, which of course costs money. And there comes the power of a digital twin or simulation. Specifically, I could simulate every single possibility without stopping the manufacturing process at my company.
And we also work on how we can deploy a humanoid robot inside this whole architecture.
As soon as you not just submit drive orders, but you have tight synchronization and safety integrations like we have here with KUKA, then you need guaranteed latency, and normal Wi-Fi can't do that. But we do reliable real-time Wi-Fi for mobile applications like HEVs.
Where the customers are specifically asking, we want your solution and we want it in our software environment, in our system, specifically asking for VDA 5050, have the collaboration with the other hardware.
What we're finding is an increased demand for solutions that allow robots, people, manual vehicles, who still represent over 85% of the vehicles, to play nicely together, and that is right in our sweet spot. It seems like the industry is really starting to take notice of this.
Within Vision Hub, we use these 3D LiDARs. We scan around on the ceiling so we can use land navigation without reflectors. As we do a VDA 5050, customers can pick out the best product from the different suppliers and have it incorporated with an agnostic fleet manager such as SYNAOS.
3 intensive days, you hear my voice, that reflects the quantity and quality of talks. We got so much positive feedback about the Interoperability Arena we are showcasing here. The need of customers of really seeing a solution combined on different partners is really increasing, so I'm really proud what we did.